Okay, the time has come, ladies and gentlemen, to create your very first HTML file. So let's open up Atom, or the IDE you have. And what you want to do is open up the folder with which you created your initial project. So for me that was in my source folder, and it was called HTML and CSS for Complete Beginners. So now we can create a new file, and this is going to be our HTML file. So if we save that, we'll be able to give it a name. Now the convention is that we call our HTML files, or our main HTML files, index. And we need to give it the extension .html. And this allows the browser to read it, to recognize its HTML, and render it as a beautiful website. So there's our HTML file. Now we need to start building the bones, the skeleton of our HTML file. So we'll start off by declaring the doc type. We open tags in HTML with angle brackets. So we use the exclamation mark. We write doc type. And we let the browser know that it's HTML. Now the first tag we need to use in HTML is the HTML tag. And everything within that tag the browser knows will be HTML. So we open it with the angle bracket. HTML, and most tags we need to close, and we close them by mirroring the same tag but with a /. So everything within these tags are going to be HTML. Now there are some examples where we don't need to actually close them, we can just use this, and the first example is up here, the doc type, and another one is image, but we're not going to worry about that for now. All we need to know is that all our code, our website, lives within these HTML tags. So the next tag we can write in HTML is the head, and you can put a number of things within the head, such as a title. And if we look at our Wikipedia page, we can see here the title in the tab, and that's what's going to be reflected. So let's first up open and close our head tag, so see if you can do that. Okay, so we open up the tag with the angle bracket, we write head, and then we close the tag with another angle bracket, /, and mirror the name. So another tag we can use is the title. So see if you can open and close the title tag, and within that, write your name, such as Sam's Portfolio. Okay, so we open it with the angle bracket, we write title, and we close it with a / and mirror the name. And that's all we want to do for the head for now. Now under the head, HTML files also have a body. So picture it like a little human, head and a body. And we can open that again, angle bracket, body, and we'll close that with body. Now tags in HTML are hierarchical. So we have our HTML, we have our head, you can see our title is a tab in 4 spaces. So everything within the body that needs to be tabbed in 4 spaces. So there's our first HTML file. There's the bones of a HTML project. HTML tag, open and close, a head, which can include a title, and a body, which is where our main content is going to go. That's where all the main information is going to go, what you see on the screen. So in the next video, we're going to progress, and we're going to write within our body tag and create some content for our browser to render.